Hi, I'm Jade Bolden. In this video, we will talk about the middle 10 days of the doTERRA 30-Day Cleanse and Restore Challenge. In the previous video, I compared the 30-Day Cleanse and Restore to spring cleaning your house. Think of your body like your house. We're doing phase 2 now of our spring cleaning, which is the middle 10 days. We're mopping, scrubbing, and scouring, and we're doing some deep cleansing. So what do we expect in the middle 10 days? Everything remains the same except we're going to swap out the Zendocrine soft gels with the GX Assist. So you'll still have 7 products to take. Here's what it looks like. You've got your Lifelong Vitality pack in the morning and night, Terrazyme with every meal, Zendocrine Complex again. The difference is we're going to take 1 to 3 GX Assist at night time. The GX Assist is very strong, so just start with 1 for the first night. And if you're feeling good, you can add another one, so you can have 2. And if you still feel great, you can add a 3rd pill if you feel up to it. We're doing it at night, so if you get crampy, you hopefully will sleep through it. And when you wake up in the morning, you'll be able to use the toilet and release everything. Remember that lemon oil. It's going to help flush out whatever it is that you're releasing. In the last video, I was trying to calculate all of the essential oils we're using in this Cleanse and Restore program, and I totally left out GX Assist. So here we are. GX Assist has 6: oregano, tea tree, lemon, peppermint, lemongrass, and thyme. So in total, we have about 25 essential oils. Some of them repeat, as you can see, but when it's blended with different oils, it takes on a different characteristic. This program is so powerful. I am so grateful for it. As I mentioned, we're doing a deep clean. Hopefully, your filtering organs are doing great. You're pooping more, you're peeing more, your urine should be light in color. We're going to focus more on the GI tract now. If you haven't done any sort of cleanse before, then you might find lots of old crusted things in there that's coming out. So things from high school maybe. With the GX Assist, I feel like it's focusing more on the stomach, small and large intestines, and the anal canal. So we will focus more on those areas. Why is the GX Assist amazing? We have those 6 oils plus the caprylic acid. Caprylic acid is naturally derived fatty acid from coconut oil. Caprylic acid has been used for decades to support digestive health and microbial balance. Oregano oil, or oregano, acts as a powerful cleansing agent and may exhibit antioxidant properties when ingested because of its main chemical component, carvacrol. Every time I think of carvacrol, I think of deep cleaner. Tea tree oil is very well known. There's about 250 species in Australia. It's been used by the Aboriginal people for a very long time. It's renowned for its cleansing and rejuvenating effect on the skin, promotes healthy immune functions when used internally, ingest to protect against environmental and seasonal threats. Next, we have lemon oil. When consumed, lemon essential oil may support a healthy digestive and nervous system because of its high limonene content. Peppermint oil powerfully promotes digestive health. Lemongrass oil supports healthy digestion and healthy inflammatory response when taken internally. It helps promote healthy cholesterol levels. Thyme essential oil helps with healthy immune response when taken internally. It repels bugs very well, the bugs that are inside of us and outside of us. Remember to keep taking your Terrazyme. It's very important. Drink a lot of water. Your poo should be soft serve consistency, not dry goat pellets. Continue taking the Zendocrine Detoxification Complex. At this point, Zendocrine Detoxification Complex is very important for those people who tend to have cramps. It should help reduce or eliminate the cramps altogether. And we have more emotional catharsis. The stomach holds feelings of being overwhelmed and anxious. Colon holds stubbornness. Intestines hold the creative insecurity. You can actually resolve these emotions very quickly when you're self-aware. With the stomach, we have the overwhelmed and anxious feelings. So here's what I would suggest. Don't try to do everything all at once. Take one inspired step at a time. Trust in the divine process. Don't run faster than you have strength. Don't take too much on. Remember, you don't have to do everything all on your own. You can delegate to your community. Choose to be patient over being panicked. You're going to be a different person after this. Hopefully you're not going to have the same emotional responses to things anymore. If you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, try using the balanced, adaptive, or serenity oils. Just diffuse them. The sandalwood and frankincense you can apply on your forehead, on your ears, the back of your neck, your big toes. You can smell wild orange and ylang ylang oil. Your body will respond positively to the oils that you need. So just have a smell of these oils and see which ones your body wants. For stubbornness in the colon, I'd say let go of the need to be right or know everything first. Let go of the need to worry and stress. More worrying won't solve your problems. Try to see things from other people's point of view. Trust in the divine process as it unfolds. Surrender to God fully. Try to use Aromatouch, sandalwood, cilantro, and wintergreen. Try to use Aromatouch oil on your neck and shoulders, sandalwood on your forehead to stop that overthinking. Cilantro, you can drink it or smell it or rub it on your tummy. Use wintergreen all over your body wherever you're aching. It helps you release and surrender. I want you to know God's got this and God's got you. For the creative insecurity in the intestines, sometimes people are not aware that they're creatively insecure. Inside the intestines, you're taking raw material to create tissues and blood and skin and muscles. Energetically, you can take what you're given in the world and create joy with it. Are we creating joy? Remember your God-given gifts and talents. Make it safe for yourself to make mistakes as you experiment and explore things. Give yourself grace. Forgive yourself and others easily. Trust your heart and gut instincts. You might not know everything. We won't know everything until we take a step of faith forward. So trust your heart and gut. Let your heart lead. Remember, you never need to compare or compete with anyone. Just be you. The essential oils you might want to use are wild orange, tangerine, and bergamot. You can put it in the diffuser, smell it often. You can drink wild orange or tangerine or even green mandarin. You can apply geranium over your heart. You can apply blue tansy over your heart as well, or forgive oil over your heart, whichever oil your body responds positively to. You can have a combination of these if you like. You want to get to the point where you're secure and you're confident in yourself. You will find yourself saying, I can do that. Or you might say, I will volunteer for that. I can do that. If you haven't already experienced symptoms, you may experience symptoms now. You might get those headaches once in a while, feeling constipated, rashes, and uncomfortable feelings. Just keep on going. Hold the course and keep moving forward. You just need to get over the hump. It will pass soon. This is the worst of it. It will get better after this. Look forward to mental clarity, good memory, a lot of energy, feeling happy and calm emotionally, having clear, bright skin, sleeping through the night, and just overall feeling great. Look forward to that. We're all the same. You too can have great health. If you haven't already, please join me on the Facebook Cleanse and Restore support group. You can ask your questions there, make comments, or share your experiences with others. Well, that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll talk about the last 10 days. We'll talk about the benefits of the DDR Prime and the PB Restore and other tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.